Welcome to Vast Data. We're thrilled to have you as part of the Vast Data community, and we look forward to partnering with you to ensure your experience with Vast is nothing short of exceptional. Your flight crew is your dedicated support team at Vast. Think of this support team as your co-pilots, always ready to assist you on your journey. This team includes experienced engineers, customer success managers, and operations specialists who will work closely with you to ensure smooth deployments, upgrades, and ongoing cluster health. We're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Whether you have a question, need assistance, or just want to chat, you can reach us through various channels: our web portal, Slack, Uplink, email, or phone. No matter the time or day, we're committed to providing prompt and effective support. With a global presence and teams strategically located around the world, we offer seamless support across all time zones. Our operational support includes rapid RMA services, and our professional services team is available for flexible scheduling to meet your needs. Let's talk about the Vast Support Portal. The Vast Support Portal is your central hub for all support-related activities, accessible anytime at support.vastdata.com. After logging in, you can open and manage support cases, monitor their progress, and communicate directly with our support engineers. The support portal also grants access to our knowledge base filled with solutions to common problems, troubleshooting guides, and best practices. Furthermore, we provide extensive technical documentation to aid in understanding, managing, and optimizing your vast system. This documentation is organized by release for easy access to information relevant to your software version. Within each section, you'll discover detailed administrator guides, release notes highlighting new features and improvements, and CLI command references for advanced users. We also have documentation on Uplink, our multi-cluster management platform, and hardware components. We regularly update and expand our documentation, so be sure to check back often. If you have suggestions or feedback on our documentation, we encourage you to share them with us. Your experience matters to us, and we're always looking for ways to improve. When you need assistance, opening a support case through our portal is simple. Just log in and click on your name in the upper right corner. Then, click on Create a Case. You'll be presented with a form to fill out. It's crucial to provide the correct cluster name so we can quickly identify your system and access relevant logs. The subject should concisely describe the nature of your request, while the description field is where you can provide all the details. Include any troubleshooting steps you've already taken, specific error messages you're experiencing, and the timing of any events related to the issue. This information helps our engineers understand the context of your request and expedite the resolution process. Next, let's talk about priority levels. The priority field indicates the business impact of your issue and directly influences our response time. At Vast, we have 4 priority levels. Urgent. This is for severe problems that prevent you from performing critical business functions, such as being unable to access your data. Urgent cases receive the fastest response, with a support engineer reaching out within 30 minutes to actively work towards resolution. High. This level is appropriate when your work is significantly impacted or severely limited, such as experiencing performance or latency issues. You can expect a response within 2 business hours. Normal. Choose this for issues that have a minimal impact on your operations, like failed components or general troubleshooting questions. We'll respond within 4 business hours. Low. This is for non-urgent requests, such as questions, administrative tasks, or feature requests. We aim to respond within 8 business hours. Remember, you have the power to set the priority based on your needs. If you're unsure which level to choose, don't hesitate to contact us for guidance. We're here to help you get the support you need when you need it. The My Open Cases section, located in the top navigation menu, provides a comprehensive list of all the support cases you or your organization have opened. This view offers a snapshot of each case, including its number, contact name, subject, priority, status, and creation date. You can even create customized views to filter and organize your cases according to your preferences. This allows you to easily track the progress of your support requests and stay informed about any updates or actions taken by our team. Think of each case as an ongoing conversation. You can provide updates or additional information by simply adding a comment to the case. Feel free to include any relevant attachments, such as screenshots or log files, to help our engineers better understand your issue. Once you've added your update, click Share to send it to our team. We'll review your update and respond promptly with any further questions or actions. Remember, clear and concise communication is key to efficient troubleshooting and resolution. And if you need immediate attention on your case, feel free to click the Escalate Case button. In addition to the support portal, you can also submit support tickets directly through Uplink, our cloud-based monitoring and management platform. This provides a convenient way to report issues or request assistance without leaving the Uplink interface. The ticket submission form in Uplink is very similar to the one on the support portal. You'll provide the same essential details, such as a clear subject and a detailed description of the issue. However, there's one key difference. Uplink doesn't automatically capture the cluster name, so be sure to include the cluster name within the description itself. This helps us identify your system quickly and access the relevant information for efficient troubleshooting. While Uplink might not offer direct access to knowledge base article suggestions, rest assured that our support team will diligently investigate your ticket and provide the assistance you need. We also offer real-time communication and collaboration through Slack to our customers. Our dedicated Slack channel provides a direct line to our customer success team. Feel free to ask questions, discuss issues, or share updates here. We encourage you to leverage Slack for quick interactions, but remember that opening a formal support ticket is essential for tracking and documenting your requests. Vast Call Home is a powerful feature that allows us to proactively monitor your cluster's health and performance. It securely sends non-sensitive data to our support servers, enabling us to identify and address potential issues before they impact your operations. We strongly recommend configuring Call Home for optimal support and peace of mind. In situations where deeper investigation is needed, you can access logs directly through the VAST GUI or CLI and create a support bundle. These bundles contain detailed information that helps our engineers diagnose and resolve issues efficiently. VAST software logs a large amount of data, which is pruned quickly. If you encounter an issue, try to create a support bundle as soon as possible to capture the most relevant information and ideally capture a 5-minute window around the time when you think the issue occurred. If needed, we can obfuscate or aggregate support bundles to address any security concerns. For even faster troubleshooting, you have the option to enable Teleport, a secure remote access tool. This allows our support team to temporarily access your cluster's configurations and logs, not your data, to diagnose and resolve issues more efficiently. Teleport is entirely opt-in and provides detailed audit logs for transparency and security. To ensure the smoothest and fastest support experience, we recommend following these best practices. Starting off, always create a support ticket first to initiate our response and tracking mechanisms. Next, if it's relevant, collect a support bundle immediately after an issue occurs to capture valuable diagnostic information. Finally, feel free to ping us on Slack for real-time updates or additional communication. At VAST, data unavailability is simply unacceptable. We have a zero-tolerance policy for this and are committed to doing everything in our power to prevent it. In the rare event that data unavailability occurs, we'll mobilize our resources to resolve the issue swiftly and conduct a thorough root cause analysis to ensure it never happens again. So, what sets VAST customer success apart? We're not just your vendors, we're your partners. Your success is our success, and we're dedicated to working alongside you every step of the way. Our team is built on technical expertise, ownership, and a culture of responsiveness. We're committed to empowering you with the knowledge and support you need to achieve your goals. Our support process is designed for efficiency and effectiveness. We have a flat organizational structure that allows for quick escalation to engineering experts when needed. Rest assured that your issues will be addressed promptly and with the appropriate level of expertise. Thank you again for choosing VAST Data. We're excited to embark on this journey with you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your flight crew or any member of our customer success team whenever you need assistance. We're here to support you every step of the way. Welcome aboard and enjoy the flight.